Ospreys are magnificent anglers. The perfect dive usually brings the perfect meal. But this bird might have grabbed too much fish. Somewhere below the surface, a battle ensues. Who will be the victor? This osprey has sunk its talons into a pompano, a highly prized fish that goes for a pretty penny on the local fish market. They're also very heavy and almost solid muscle. The osprey can't hold on forever. It has to either clear those waves with its catch or let it go.